Hi guys, come with me to go to school and this is my second year journey.
Sorry guys, sorry naman. Sabi
Gemma, magkakasan niya wa. Ito mo lang niya kasi yung photocopy pa taon pa ulit pa. Ay, loko ka. Sa ko. Pangatid mo ba mo?
no!
Yan ko ba ito, te?
Kasi long niya, wala sa sa. Pwede Sir Jain, Sir Jain, Pwede Sir Jain, katawa ka, dirty.
Pag-umas sini-squat,
I-zoom mo, Jaya.
Pataas-taas sa Mers.
Na ito pa, i-zoom mo pa dyan.
Inuna mo ba?
Diyan.
Nabiyan. Sige tayo nilus ko.
Nay, naku. Sinalden.
Diyos, may tayo sila.
Diwa ka tanim bila ba
Hindi, maning ka tinapay. Kita.
Naglamay pa ako lang.
Balik ka. Balik position.
Panandas.
Yeah. Nagito na, Mers, balingkan!
Diyosa, nakakatawa ka tanim yung tapos ito video siya. Nakatampan lang.
See you.
Mabaho ko ni Simod niyo.
December.
August 13. Hi guys, today is August 13, 2025 and we are at school and it's 3. Sir Jain will meet us today. This one is look at guys, kita naman niya pang WhatsApp. Kaya pa-enhance mo. Guys, look at this. Magkupit ka, Tamri. Oh. Hi, Chai. The lover. Hi, Chai. Huwag tumingin ka. Hi guys, this is Chow and Rohana. They were dating since first year. I hope they will still together when we were done schooling.
Make adulthood.
Atlantis! Masiyog ka ba? They were dating since first year, guys. If you don't know. Captured ako sa memories na to the secretary. Background music. Like what I wanted at the snow on the beach. Let me view.
Mga babae, pag nag-fit check.
Guys, let me show you our classmate. This is our class president.
Guys, kita ba in kanan yung katsinkan? It's 5:30 at school. And Dorisa and Ala were been waiting for them to
Finish the study.
finish their practice for speech choir. And ano man ako magday ko ng
Sige na tayo po.
Pero sa akin yung dati. Sige. Ha? Very hard. Look at her. Look at him. He's smiling, guys. So we're going back to upstairs because our friend is still there. Hi, guys. Agad ko, Char. Char. Nakakahiya na siya, guys, actually. Pero go. Anong pake nila? This is our vlog. Look at the lighting, guys. They're done.
Yan hina na kanan. Kamaya lang. Kita yan, tiyakin na kami.
Yes, complete na.
Yay! Complete! Complete!
Nabaw na ang pilo. Na kami kay Zara. Kay Zara.
Yes! We're here! Ay! Naka-zoom in on.
Ayang? Ayang, ayang, bang tawag ko ng mamalis ako.
So guys, after years of waiting for them, we are here.
If I become Miss Countdown Reality 2009, 2026, I will raise awareness and anti-gay awareness. 17, if I become the Miss Universe 2025, I will raise awareness and anti-gay awareness. Music, 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 music.
Can you promise that you will do that you will do your responsibility as a okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. First of all, I deserve to become Miss Countdown because I will do my best.
Say hi to our YouTube.
I miss you, YouTube.
Jo, idapin ka ba ko? Dapi, babay ko, Dapi.
Guys, currently we are here at school. It's 8 a.m. in the morning and we're still making for our project because we were going to pass this at second period 9. And look at this. This is what we drew, plan. I think we're going to oral that, no? What do you think, guys? Say hi. So guys, I'm not done yet drawing. Ying. Oh my God, red pala yung color.
Kamatis.
Okay, kamatis. So ano yung kamatis na mo kay Chow?
Mayroong sunflower kanina.
Okay. Guys, wala kaming kamatis ni Chow. So guys, this is what I draw. So clean. Very me. Say hi. Feeling. Kakot man ka. This is my coffee, guys. Yes. Pakita ba ako singgisan mo kay Charo Torohana? Weh! Torohana, pakita ko singgisan kay Charo Katon King Colors. Pakita ka, te. Di, pakita na ako sinbiarya. Na-chat na sa. This is so cute. Wait, let me take a photo of it. I think to use this too for my flower over here. So as you can see there. So wait. I love this red and this orange. I think it's not pretty, okay? I'm gonna use this, guys. It's pretty. It's a red one. Can you see the difference? This red is orange, so I think I go with the red one. Because it's pretty. Okay, I'm start. Guys, wag maingay. Nag-draw ako. Dalawa na siya, guys. So, malapit na siya. Ballpen? Eraser? Why ako pencil? Direct kasi ako nag-draw. Say hi. What you draw? Let me see. It's a flower too. Like, ang pangit naman yan. Be, ano to? Kamatis? Aray. Wait, kamatis ka. Kanyo ka mo kay Chow Kuan. Babae pala kami. Jo, kamatis din ka? Uy, masusa ako, Jo. Okay. So guys, I'm not done yet coloring everything up here. Guys, go. You guys need to faster so I can borrow. Let me proceed to brown for my root over here, guys. As you can see, Mers is so. Yan na, kita rin na. Ay. Okay guys, I'm gonna start this. Ballpen na, rin ballpen na. May tao yun, pagsuk pa tayo. Bala ko, ikaw rin wrong. Okay guys, I'm gonna start. Yung kalabasan. Hi, no, it's not Jomar. I miss Jomar, guys. Just kidding. I'm just kidding, y'all. If you don't know, I'm kidding. Ikaw mag-smile, video yan.
No guys, I'm just pretending that Mert is so brave.
Ay! Sige po, ate. Kaya, alam nyo guys, hindi talaga nakakaintindi si Amit kahit kailan. No. Talo na naman tayo! Ulit reaction mo tayo, ulit reaction. Di pagkamalan man ako, Chow. Pakalan na siya, Jo.
Eraser na ako. Ano eraser? Eraser.
We've been busy doing our assignment like this. Jomar, say hi. What do you call that? Performance task? Okay. Guys, we're
Activity,
been doing
guys.
activity.
My phone, it's an activity.
Say hi, guys. Hi.
Activity, not performance task. It's not performance task.
May ka mo pakialam?